So it's what you call tresse in French. Yeah. This is dancer 1, dancer 2, dancer 3. Yeah. In rain we use it, but of course we have 10 dancers. So it's a quite complicated tress. Yeah. We constructed it on straight lines with 10 people. Yeah. But then what we did is this line, we shifted it and we made a radar from it. So not only this line is braided, but it also turns the line around like a clock. So you will have these tresses that, you see,
so that means around. That people stay in the line, but they all the time change place.
Exactly.